बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum all the student. Today we are starting 7th lesson. This lesson about standing fatha, standing kasra and reverse dhamma. This shape is called standing fatha. When this shape bottom any word then called standing kasra, and this shape is called reverse dhamma. So let's start. Ba standing fatha, ba standing kasra, ba reverse dhamma, ba bi bu. Ya standing fatha, ya standing kasra, ya reverse dhamma, ya yi yu. Ra standing fatha, ra standing kasra, ra reverse dhamma, ra ri ru. Mim standing fatha, mim standing kasra, mim reverse dhamma, ma mi mu. Lam standing fatha, lam standing kasra, lam reverse dhamma, la li lu. Waw standing fatha, waw standing kasra, waw reverse dhamma, wa wi wu. Noon standing fatha, noon standing kasra, noon reverse dhamma, na ni nu. Hamza standing fatha, hamza standing kasra, hamza reverse dhamma, a i u. Ha standing fatha, ha standing kasra, ha reverse dhamma, ha hi hu. Ain standing fatha, ain standing kasra, ain reverse dhamma, a i u. Ghain standing fatha, ghain standing kasra, ghain reverse dhamma, gha ghi gu. Ha standing fatha, ha standing kasra, ha reverse dhamma, ha hi hu. Kha standing fatha, kha standing kasra, kha reverse dhamma, kha khi hu. Ta standing fatha, ta standing kasra, ta reverse dhamma, ta ti tu. Sa standing fatha, sa standing kasra, sa reverse dhamma, sa si su. Jim standing fatha, jim standing kasra, jim reverse dhamma, ja ji ju. Dal standing fatha, dal standing kasra, dal reverse dhamma, da di du. Zal standing fatha, zal standing kasra, zal reverse dhamma, za zi zu. Za standing fatha, za standing kasra, za reverse dhamma, za zi zu. Sin standing fatha, sin standing kasra, sin reverse dhamma, sa si su. Sheen standing fatha, Sheen, standing kasra she, sheen, reverse dhamma shu, sha, she, shu. Sod, standing fatha saw, sod, standing kasra si, sod, reverse dhamma su, saw, si, su. Dod, standing fatha da, dod, standing kasra di, dod, reverse dhamma du, da, dui, du. Ta, standing fatha ta, ta, standing kasra tui, ta, reverse dhamma tu, ta, tui, tu. Za, standing fatha za, za, standing kasra zi, za, reverse dhamma zu, za, zi, zu. Fa, standing fatha fa, fa, standing kasra fi, fa, reverse dhamma fu, fa, fi, fu. Qaf, standing fatha qa, qaf, standing kasra ki, qaf, reverse dhamma ku, qa, ki, ku. Kaf, standing fatha ka, kaf, standing kasra ki, kaf, reverse dhamma ku, ka, ki, ku. Hamzah, standing fatha a, hamzah, standing kasra i, hamzah, reverse dhamma u, a, i, u. Ha, standing fatha ha, ha, standing kasra hi, ha, reverse dhamma hu, ha, hi, hu. Wow, standing fatha wa, wow, standing kasra vi, wow, reverse dhamma vu, wa, vi, vu. Ha, standing fatha ha, ha, standing kasra hi, ha, reverse dhamma hu, ha, hi, hu. Hamzah, standing fatha a, hamzah, standing kasra i, hamzah, reverse dhamma u, a, i, u. So student, today we are learning 16 articulation point. There are 3 letters that are articulated from the 2 lips, but they do not all 3 share the same mechanism in articulation. Number 1, the unlengthened vowel is articulated by forming a circle of the 2 lips without the 2 lips meeting completely. Number 2, the meme is articulated by the closing the 2 lips together. Number 3, the letter is articulated by the closing the 2 lips together but a stronger closing than the meme. Articulation point number 17. This is last articulation point. After this we start sifat of tajweed. It is the hole in the nose that continues back toward inside the mouth. This is the place where the gunna from. It is the nasal sound coming from the nasopharynx without any influence from the tongue. If you hold your nose close, you will not be able to produce this sound. Therefore, the sound of the gunna comes from the nasopharynx, but the letters themselves that has this associated sound with them are not articulated from this nose. These letters have their own articulation point, but the gunna accompanying the letters comes from the nose. The gunna is a characteristic, not a letter. The gunna is the characteristics of noon and meme that is especially prevalent when they have a shadda on them. It is also very noticeable on noon tanween when there is an ikfa or iqlab, and on the meme when there is ikfa.